Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve today's POTD. So today's POTD is little bit easier side. So we are given a string and we we have to reverse the string without reversing its individual words, and words are separated by dots. So okay, let me explain the input first and then move to the coding part. Logic and then coding. Okay. So here we are given an input. What is the input? I like this. Okay, I'm writing it only till this. So what it is saying, these are the words, different words, because these are separated by dots. So these are the different words, and we have to reverse this string. Like how we reverse? Like suppose this is a string A B C D. What will the reverse of this? D C B A. So same way we have to reverse the string, but we cannot reverse the word. Okay. So what we will do? The first word will come, or the last word will come on first, on first, then second last, and by doing this, then the first. Okay, this way. So this is the output. If this is this is the program, this like I, this is the output. Okay, so what we can do, we can, like there are I like this program very much. So much will come first, then very, then program, then this, then like, and then I. Okay, so what we can do, we create an answer string. Okay, string answer we will create, and what we will do, we will traverse from this side, because in final answer we have to add words from this side first. Now, like first this word will be added, then this word will be added. So we will move iterate through this side, and whenever we get a dot, what does it mean? The- Whenever we get any dot means a word start from I plus 1. If str of I, str is a given string. If str of I is equal to dot, that means word start from I plus 1. We can say or not, like if this is okay, very dot much. I'm not talking about ending here, but we can say this, like if very dot much. If this is I, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 indexing. So if this is at I equal to 4, this is dot. So from I equal to 5, this is the word is starting. I'm not talking about where it is ending, but we can say for every dot the word is starting. Okay, every word after that word is starting. So if str of I is dot, then word will start from str, word will start from I plus 1. Okay. Okay, fine. So now come to the second observation. So, what we can, like this dot program dot vary, I said something like this we are getting here. Okay, we can write this dot program dot I dot, okay, no, dot data. So what we can say, for I know we are traversing from this side, because we are adding this one, this one. Suppose we are at here. What we can say, if suppose this is I, what we can say, word will start from I plus 1. We can say or no, definitely we can say word will start from I plus 1. Because after dot, word will start, new word will start. So word will start here. Where it is end, where this word ending? This word ending at J. J is last dot appeared. We can say this or not. The string will be including. I'm writing it including, or you can say this way. This will be your string, right? Because last dot appear, this will be the word. J is the last dot appeared from this side if we are traversing from this side. So and current like now traverse from this side like very. So we can write like initially we can say J or J is n because in zero indexing it string if string length is n, so this will be n minus 1, and we can say some we at n we got the last dot, we are not got the, well we can say j is the last dot appeared. So from here traverse here what we say, here we got the dot, so we can say string will start some word will start from here. So till where it will go till j minus 1 till here it will go because j is here, it will go till here j minus I plus 1 to j minus 1. Okay, this we will create a substring of this str dot, we will do the sub, we will make the substring from out of it and we will add to the answer. Then what we will do, we will update the position of j. So now last where the last dot appeared here, okay, here, and traverse here. What is this? This is I. So new word will start from I plus 1. I, this is I plus 1. And where till where it will go j minus 1. J minus 1 is the same position is j minus 1. So as you can say same position means this is single word string and this is also single word string, or this is a single word. So we are doing correctly. So this is a simple thing, like you can say like last dot and current dot, like if your current position is the dot, then last dot appeared minus 1 j minus 1, you can say j minus last dot appeared at index j, so j minus 1, and at I this is also a dot, so in between two dots there is a word. Okay, this is simple thing, like at j there is dot, at I there is a dot, so some word will be in between these two, I plus 1 to j minus 1. So this is the thing. So how for creating a substring out of string, so suppose this is our string and we want to create our a substring s dot sub str string str dot sub str. So what we will put, index, starting index. This is the starting index from where we want to cut the substring, and length. Okay. So str s dot okay, let's we will add answer plus equal what we will do s dot this one. What will be the index if sr, if this is if this starting point will be nothing but I plus 1. I have already mentioned why this is I plus 1, because the if it is here is a dot, here is dot, string will start from here and go is word, the word is start from here and goes till here. So this is I plus 1 and this is j minus 1. So starting index is this, and what will the length will be nothing but j minus 1 minus I plus 1 plus 1, you can say or not. Suppose here it is starting point and here it is ending point, so what will be the length will be nothing but ending point minus starting point plus 1. This is the length. Okay, so here ending point is j minus 1, starting point is I minus 1 and plus 1. So what it become, j minus 1 minus I minus 1 plus 1. So this became j minus I minus 1. Okay, so this is the thing. And now like we have pushed the word, and in answer also we want to word separated by dot. So after adding a word we will push just a dot, we will push. So like uh, we push the this added this very, so we will add dot. Now we added I to the answer, we will add dot. Now we added program to the answer, add dot. Now this is our latest j, right? Latest j, because we got dot here, last dot j. Now we will say we will go decide with we never dot. So we can say or not for last word we will never get a dot. So this thing, like this loop will not add last word because we never getting any dot. So we'll just simply what we will do, we will start from 0, what we will add to the answer, start from. Okay, my health is not good. Okay, we will for last word we will not get any dot, because this is the method. Like for last one we will never get a dot because there is no dot in starting. So for last one we will never get a dot. So what we will do, we know this is the last dot appeared here at the j is the last dot for in we're traversing from this side, so this is the last dot, this is here. So and j, here is the dot. Okay, so this is our first word, this will be our first word. What will the starting point of first word? Starting point of first word will be obviously 0. And what is the length? Length is nothing but j. Or you can say, you if you not don't understand why this is j, what will the ending index? Ending index will be this one. This is the ending index. What is the starting index? Starting index is 0. And length is ending minus starting plus 1. Why this plus 1? Because both are included. So if this is the thing you can remember also. If it started from st and ending at en, including both. In I am saying including. So what will then en minus st plus 1. Suppose there are, let me take simple example. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. We are saying how many points are there in, if we start from 1 and go till 4. So if you directly subtract 4 minus 1 is 3, but there are 4 points now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can say st minus en minus st plus 1 if we include the both points. Okay, so this will become j minus 1, en is j minus 1 plus minus 0 plus 1, minus plus and minus 1 will cut out, and here it will become j. So this is the first word, and after doing this loop, we will in the answer we will just add the this first word also, str dot sub str. Okay, what is the first word? Word first word first word will be nothing but str dot sub str. Starting index is 0 and length is j. So this is the first word, and we have already added all the words, so we will just add the first word and we will return. So this is our final answer. I have done the same thing in the code, but and instead of j I have written last, like where the last dot appeared. So explain the code. This is the our answer string, new string, that in there we will add the word from uh, right side. Okay, this is the string length and this is the j, where last dot appeared. Okay, so we can string is where in I'll regulate math more clearly, index, because in indexing index will go 0 to n minus 1, and we can say at n we appear the last dot, because the first position, like for this and like for this much one, what will happen, we got the dot here, so we can assume the last dot here, then it will become length like this, because okay, in this dot much, I am assuming last dot appear at here. Here is the last dot appeared. Okay, at j. So here when we get the str dot of I, then what will become, this will be the I and this will be the j. Length will be nothing but I plus 1 to j minus 1. This is the same thing remaining. So I am assuming I am can write last index where dot appeared was initially here, we last dot appeared. So what I am doing now, we are traversing from right side, I n minus 1, I greater equal 0 and I minus 1. We are traversing from this side. We will traverse, and when we got any dot, what we will do, we will make a substring from where to where, I plus 1 to n j minus 1. So this is the starting index and the length will be nothing but, you can, this will be the length. How I have already explained this, why this is the length, because what the starting is I plus 1, ending is last minus 1, length is ending minus starting plus 1. Okay, this is same, last minus I plus 1, last minus I plus 1. Okay, so this is the thing. and after adding the word, we in the final string also we want the word separated by dot, so we will add a dot. Okay, and now our last, where is our last dot? Last dot is appeared here because this str is dot, so last will become I for further indexes. And for the starting like this, what for, like suppose there is something like Virat dot Kohli. If we start from here, this will our last. Now we will go this side. There is no dot for first word. There is no dot will appear for first word. So we can as separately at the first word. What this is the last. So what we will do starting index is this, and length will be last. Why the length is last? I have already explained. So, okay, I'm explaining little one more time also here. Virat dot indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our last because last dot appeared as here. So we want to this to this. So what will be the length? Length starting point is this, and length will be nothing but we want to include 0, and we want to go till last minus 1 because we don't include the dot. So because just because of we are not including this dot, this will become last minus 1. So what will the length? What starting st and en, length will be nothing but en minus st plus 1. En last minus 1 minus st 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cut out, and this will become last. So now this is added the first word. First word we have added here because for the first word there will be no dot. Like here you can see this is the last dot for when for this it for like, but after that we will never get a dot, so we have to separately add this first word. So I have added separately this first word, and this is our answer. We have written answer. Let me compile it and show you like whether this is working. I have already submitted it. It will work correctly. Okay, this is same as the expected output, and this all this is passed. So let's talk about its time complexity and space complexity. What is the time complexity? Here we have run a simple n loop. Okay, okay. And one more thing is we have what we are doing. We are creating a substring. What is the length of substring? What is the time complexity for creating substring? Time complexity of a substring is the length of substring. What is the length of substring here? We can say like, what will be the length of substring? We will create one substring of length this, one of 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 this. But a total length of all substring will be n. You can say or not. By intuition we can say like we are creating different words. Like for one word this will be this. But the summation of all the words will be n, you can say or not. Length summation of lengths, okay, for all words will be n. So substring part is order n, and we are looping this loop. We are running this loop of order n. So ultimately it become order n plus n. Order to n, that is simply order n. And what is the space complexity? We are created a string here, and we are putting these n values, same n values in that. So space complexity is also order n. And what is n? N is a string size. So I hope I have cleared all the aspect of this problem. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any issue, you can comment me. Okay, thank you. Bye.